You, Mr. Dumptruck, I have been informed by my American cousin, the Phantom Birdsong, that you have created problems in the USA for him and his family. Well, I am the Soviet Union branch of the Birdsong family. I am Ivan Birdsongski, the Phantom Birdsongski of the Soviet Union. Mr. Dumptruck, you will not go unpunished for your acts. You go all across America talking about being the hog with the big nuts. The Russian way is to castrate those big nuts. My cousin has enlisted the help of my family in the Soviet Union to go after and find you once and for all, Mr. Dumptruck. We are not in for the American ways, the easy, nice justice that the Americans like to do. We take matters seriously, and we handle things in a very swift and precise manner. You are no match for the Soviet Union branch of the Birdsong family. I am Ivan Birdsongski, Mr. Dumptruck. You can get all the friends you would like and try to enlist them to help you in your army. But now you have called the great Ivan Birdsongski into the play here. I will be on a plane within a matter of hours, and I will be coming to the USA. Ha! For you on the USA! But I will still come to aid my cousin, the Phantom Birdsong. In the swamps of the Soviet Union, the Rolaski swamplands, we know how to deal with you. We do. We do have the frogging dogs. We do have the pork bellies, and we know how to handle that. So, Mr. Dumptruck, this is not the last you have heard from Ivan Birdsongski. We are joining together. We will defeat you. The assault charge is a matter of many years ago. They no longer back the punch that they used to. I know that. You just got to know that yourself, Mr. Dumptruck, before you face ultimate destruction. You will know what it's like. I will even use the Soviet Union mastermind technical powers to send you this message. I have listed many Soviet hackers to break into the accounts of you and your friends, and I will use that to show you my power as I send you this message. I shall hack into the computers, to the Facebook accounts of you and your closest friends, and I will send you this message. That is a promise from the Soviet Union, and even Ivan Birdsongski